Hi, I'm Michelle Shelton, designated broker and listing specialist with Life Real Estate.
Hi, I'm Emma Shelton, listing coordinator and realtor at Life Real Estate.
We're here today at our latest listing in Chandler. It's a horse property. And Emma, what's the address?
The address to this property is 1189 East Buffalo Street in Chandler.
I'm super excited about this home. It's 3,600 square feet. It has a 1,200 square foot shop, horse property, new fencing, a pool. I want to go take a look.
Me too, let's go. Thank you for taking the tour with us today. This property is part of our Equine Life collection and is located at 1189 East Buffalo Street in Chandler.
If you'd like to see this property or any Arizona horse property, you can visit us online at askmichelleshelton.com, or you can call me directly at 480-577-8272.
You can also contact me, Emma Shelton, at 480-334-7095. Thank you.